The peels of citrus fruits are very flavorful and do not need to be discarded after the fruit is juiced or segmented. Candied orange peel can be chopped up and added to your favorite recipe to add a great depth of flavor, or eaten whole like any other candy. The peels can also be dipped in chocolate or used as a cocktail or dessert garnish. To make candied orange peel, use a sharp vegetable peeler to remove the outer layer of the orange, avoiding the bitter white pith. Then boil the peel until soft, about 10 minutes, or longer for thicker peels. Discard the water and add to the pot a tablespoon of fresh water and a tablespoon of cane sugar for each orange used, and allow to cook and thicken for a couple of minutes to make a light syrup that'll coat the peels and make them sticky. Then use a fork or kitchen tweezers to roll the hot peels in cane sugar to create a generous crystallized sugar coating. Next, spread the sugar-coated peels on a wire rack for a couple hours to cool and dry out until they are not sticky. Store candied orange peels in an airtight container or a Ziploc-style freezer bag to keep them soft, supple, and chewy.